Delhi woke up to a quiet Tuesday after a night of loud and colorful Diwali. While rockets and fireworks lit up the sky, what stayed behind was a thick layer of smoke and ultra-fine pollutants. The air is hazy, heavy, and hard to ignore. The national capital recorded the AQI at 350 at 8 am. Anand Vihar, Dwarka Sector 8, Patparganj, and Jahangirpuri recorded peaks of air pollutant which is above 1400 to 1800 micrograms per cubic meter. And it is 15 to 20 times higher than the permissible standards. The grey sky has masked the post-festive fever just like every morning after Diwali. But this time it is after the capital resorted to the use of less polluting green crackers as directed by the Supreme Court. But did Delhi's Green Diwali work? Let's take a look at the trend of pollution over the years. According to the real-time data provided by the System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research, SAFAR, Delhi's AQI soared to 359 at 6:30 am the day after Diwali in November 2024. On November 13, 2023, Delhi recorded a massive jump in air pollution levels and a smoky haze in November 2023. At 8 am, the AQI stood at 438, falling under the severe category. In October 2022, Delhi's AQI stood at 315 at very poor standard on the morning after Diwali. On November 5, 2021, Delhi defied the ban on firecrackers left, right and centre and added to the toxic air, taking the AQI up to 454, which is under severe category. The Supreme Court first imposed a ban on firecrackers in Delhi NCR in 2014 to 15, amid rising air pollution. However, enforcement challenges and lack of public compliance have always prevailed. Year on year, we have witnessed very poor to severe levels of air pollution in Delhi before and after Diwali. This year, the Apex Court allowed the sale and use of green crackers on Diwali, striking a balance between interest on the industry and public health. But data narrates the same tale like an old tape recorder. However, environmentalists raised eyebrows over the court's decision, referring to green crackers as less poison as green crackers claim to produce 30% less pollution.